And thank you for choosing the 127 series FlowCal automatic balancing valve. This quick installation tip video will give you a general overview of what you need to know to get started with your job. One of the first things that you should notice when you open the box is going to be a nice set of installation instructions. Be sure to read them as they include all the finer details that you'll need to know. This compact and cost-effective balancing valve will automatically control flow at whatever GPM value is listed on the label, even as system pressures or differential pressures fluctuate. The 127 series FlowCal is made of low lead brass, so it can be used in hydronic or domestic water plumbing applications. It's available in half, 3/4, and 1 inch sizes in sweat, NPT, and press connections. The bodies of the FlowCal are actually all the same. It's going to be the tail pieces that you attach to the body that's going to determine the pipe sizing. These units can be installed in any orientation. The one thing to be careful of is to observe the flow arrow that's on the sticker. If you have a model with sweat connections, be sure to solder in the tail pieces first and then install the valve body. This is to make sure that you don't overheat it. When you're putting the valve assembly together, there is going to be a sealing washer in between the tail pieces and the body. Be sure to get that sealing washer wet before you put it in. This is going to make sure that you have a good seal between the tail piece and the body to prevent leaks. Another thing to mention is to make sure to install the 127 where it can be accessed later in case it needs to be inspected or cleaned. So if the cartridge ever does need to be cleaned or replaced with a different size cartridge, it's very easy to take apart. First, you're going to remove the valve body itself from the tail pieces, and then the body comes apart in 2 pieces, and then you can push the cartridge right out and switch it out or clean it or whatever you need to do. And then you can put it back together and put it right back in place. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact your wholesaler, your rep, or us directly. And thanks for watching.